There you go, perfect. That's right.
No.
Flew up here today from Los Angeles.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
He and his company.
We're going to probably take the picture outside in front of our sign out there, if that's okay, so we have a backdrop for you.
Yes.
Hey, yeah, you tell us where you want to do.
Good to see you.
And we can't tell you how
That's a
much.
very good cause. It's worth it.
Thank you. I can't tell you how much.
Guys, including last night,
And like you said, I didn't know how much you want to know.
And also my team, we're trying to help more people. We're also helping people regarding COVID a lot and also fire.
There you go, perfect. That's right.
No.
There you go, perfect. That's right.
No.
Oh, this is the first one.
Thank you so much.
We want you to know this is not so-so California economic condition. So if you find
Very good.
you find anything that you don't have it,
This is the first female firefighter. Fire departments from all over California and Nevada, even some I think from Oregon, came down. They flew out from Washington D.C. to pay their respects, which is what happens a lot when a firefighter is from all these different places, you know. And the cost of
That is great.
trying to just feed
I think one of the big things too that's so great is that instead of
his wife or husband, depending if it's a female firefighter or male firefighter, and they'll have little kids with them. And the looks on their faces, you know, they're just so cheerful and sad. Kevin, 30 years in this department or more. I spent 11 years with the federal firefighters and then 25 years with CAL FIRE. So we both have put in 30 years or more with firefighting. And I think one of the things we're most proud of is the money that you give us, 95 cents out of every dollar will go to the families. None of us a lot more than the general public because of what we're exposed to throughout our careers. Okay, so we support the cancer research institutes to help find better cures for the cancers that our firefighters get.
more comfortable is that this money is now from 5 or 10 people, although like big donor here flying out from Southern California just here to show you how much they love you guys.
And we so
But
appreciate
this
that.
collection of couple hundred
to be up here on your priority level. Definitely.
Yeah, okay, we learned so much. Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you for making the time and
we'll come back
coming
and
here
spend the
too.
day.
We thank you too.
That's the best. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you,
Okay,
gentlemen.
very
Thank
good.
you. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, gentlemen, very much.
No, and thank you so much for taking the time.
A pleasure.
Yeah.
Really
Thank
appreciate it.
you so much. Thank you.
My
I love
pleasure
your
to meet you all.
Thank you.